Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see and discuss about the Quora Ads custom audiences. Custom audiences are going to be the audiences of your business, people who have been interacting with your website. So that is the also audience which you can target with the help of custom audiences feature. So what we do here is we create these audience segments so that we can go ahead and collect data of these particular users, people who interact with your website, people whose data you have collected over a period of time. All those can become like custom audiences, which you can now target with your Quora ads. So let's have a look at this. This is going to be different from Quora audiences. Quora audience is people who come on Quora platform on a regular basis. That's a different audience which we have been targeting in our campaigns. But custom audiences are the audiences of our business, people who interact with our website. Okay. So all that is going to be custom audiences. So let's have a look at this. For this, we can go to the audiences section first. And here we are going to create the custom audience. So there are three types of audiences we can create. One is audience which is coming to our website traffic. Okay, people who are coming to our website, interacting with our website. So we can target them with our ads. Second is lookalike audience, which is basically an audience who are similar to our website traffic audience. People who share similar interest with the people who come to our website on a regular basis. And the third is list match. List match is the audience which we have collected over a period of time. People who have been visiting our website and opened an account with us must have shared their contact details, okay, like their name, email address, or if you're running an email list and you have contact details of your customers, that we can upload right here. So let's see this. Let's say we're looking for website traffic. Okay, so here you can give a name to this audience. And then you can choose what type of traffic do you want to target. People who are visiting my website, visitors who are going to specific pages of the website, visitors who are going to specific but not all the pages of the website. So you can do that as well, and multiple options are there. Okay, so most of the time we are choosing all visitors to my website. You can also choose the time period. Time period is basically for how many days, for what number of days data do you want to collect. So this is the last 30 days data you want to collect. Okay, so that becomes my website traffic audience. And with this, you can create the audience in this manner. Same way, you can create the audience for lookalike as well. Lookalike audience can only be created once your website traffic audience has started collecting data. Okay, because as you can understand, lookalike audience is dependent on website traffic audience, because as we spoke about it, lookalike audiences are those people who are similar to our traffic audience, website audience, right? So you will be able to create this only after we see data getting collected in our website traffic audience. Last is list match. So in list match over here, you can give it a name. And then you can upload the data. Okay, so this is where you can go and upload, and they've given you a particular way as well how the data should be, so which you can read over here. It will can be an Excel sheet, a CSV formatting with the email domain name. Okay, no spaces or quotations around the email. Example can be like this. This is the format in which we will have to go ahead and upload the sheet. Okay, it's a document, a Google sheet, which you can have a CSV file. Also, you can see should be at least 200 emails. This is the minimum requirement. Okay, once you have at least 200 emails, then we can use this particular feature of list match. And with this, you can create the custom audience. Once the custom audience is created, all you have to do is link it to your existing campaigns or any new campaigns which you're building. So let's have a look at that. So we can go to our campaigns. Let's say we can go to a conversion campaign. Here we can edit the campaign. And now we can go to our ad set level. So let's say we are going back again to the campaign, or let's look at another one. Or rather, what we want to do is we want to edit this particular ad set. So now here you can see the audience targeting part which comes in. Okay, so this is where you can go ahead and do the audience targeting part. Or let me just show you in a new campaign. So when you are creating a new campaign, we will come to the audiences segment. This is where we can come to audiences, and here you will be able to choose your custom audience. As you can see here, it is showing up over here. So now you can select your custom audience, which we have now added to this particular campaign. And what it means is the ads from this campaign can target our website traffic audience. This is how custom audiences are used inside the Quora Ads platform.